Hello everyone, good afternoon. In this video, we are going to see how we can give the access to connect to our Google account from Google Authenticator. This is a safety and an application option that allow us to give access to connect to our Google account. This application we can install it just in our mobile, in our phone, and every time we want to connect to our Google account from another device, for example, if you buy a mobile or if you buy a computer and we need to connect our Gmail or Google account to new device, we need to give access from our mobile to connect to our Google account. And this is a very good and safe option to keep our information very safe. So to do that, just go to your Google like this, click in this setting and confidentiality. Here you will see this page, click in presentation. Let's make it by English. This page now is in French. Let's translate it in English to be all very like this, yeah. So when we get here, just click in overview, and here click in visit your Google account like this. As you see, this is our Google account setting. Click in security like this and scroll down like this at here, and you will see the option of authenticator. So what we need to do here, we need first to go to Play Store or App Store, and we need to download this authenticator. When we have the application in our mobile, we come here and just click like this. You need to put your password. And now we need to add, just configure like this. Click here in this option. You will see this QR code. Open the application in your phone. After you open the application, in the down you will see a scanner button. Just click on it and click on scanner and QR code. After, use your phone mobile to scan this QR code and click next. After you click next, you need to enter the code that you receive in your automated mobile application. So here we have 290052 and click enter. As you see, the Google Authenticator now is available in our account. So every time we need to connect to our Google account in any device, or if our Google account was hacked, and someone get the password and he try to access to our Google account, he can't, because he need this code, and this code it change every time, every, I think, 1 minute or 1 minute, yeah, 1 minute to 30 seconds to 1 minute, the code is changed, automatically. So every time you enter to Google Authenticator in your phone mobile, you will find new code. So you need to put this new code to be allowed and access in your phone, in your Google account. Yeah, this is about today, and I hope that this video helped a little. Thank you so much.